Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel HSC Tips. Friends, today I will talk about loan working. My today topic is loan working. In this video, we will know what is loan working, what is the hazard and risk creating during loan working, and also we will know about the safe practices, that means control measures for loan working. So, and finally, in the last, I will tell you what is the responsibility of lone worker who is working alone. So, if I am requesting to you, if you are at first time on my YouTube channel, you subscribe my channel for getting new videos notification. Now I am going to start my video, and first of all, we know about what is lone working. A lone worker is an employee who performs an activity that is carried out alone. That means isolate from other workers without any close or direct supervision. That is called lone working. For those employee who is working alone, a lone worker may be exposed to more risk because there is no one to assist him. So, lone worker are those who work by themselves without any supervision, closure direct. Friends, now I am going to start regarding hazard and risk of lone working. You should understand with carefully because when you are thinking on that, then you have to understand clearly. Actually, at the time of loan working, many types of emergency are rising out due to their work. That work are performing the loan worker. For example, any accident or incident, including inadequate provision of first aid, is also a hazard. And sudden illness, because that person is alone, so is working alone, so may be tired and become illness. That is also a hazard. Inadequate provision of restroom, hygiene and welfare facilities. Maybe your organization is not providing, so it is creating a hazard because when person is tired, so where he can take rest, okay, where he can go for welfare facility, that is also a hazard creating. And next, physically violence from member of the public. Maybe the person is working alone, so the public may be any violence, so that is a hazard for those worker who is working alone. This hazard and risk will create when person is working alone. Now we will know what is the control measure, that means safe practices or precaution for lone workers. Okay, first of all, identify potential risk and hazards. Actually person is working alone, so we have to first of all risk assessment may be in process, that means conduct a lone worker risk assessment. Next, train lone workers and supervisor. That means workers or supervisor who is working alone. That's maybe properly trained and experienced. Apply a lone working policy. Actually, this is the responsibility of our employer or our organization to provide policy of our workers because they are working alone. So we may be much more exposed to high risk. So it is a responsibility to organization employer for providing policy. Encourage cooperation between loan workers and managing staff, because that is a communication must be done between the workers and the managing staff, because what actually happening going there, they have to know, then they have to provide sufficient facilities for your problem solution. Invest in a lone worker monitoring device system, for example CCTV, okay, because or radio, that is called walkie talkie, or any other devices who is for lone worker that may be contact in case of any emergency for. Okay, provide the best equipment to lone workers. It is a very important topic because when worker is working alone, if maybe defect tools may be hazardous for those employee, so provide good condition of equipment. Employer or management set limits on what can and what cannot be done. It may be sure that we have to given him limit, because you have to do only that and only don't do this. Okay, periodically visiting by supervision to observe procedure being followed. Uh, it is also responsibility of a supervisor for giving proper supervision. Actually, what is happening going when a person is working alone, so he can remove their PPE or maybe working in without following the safety procedures. So we should visiting properly there. Okay, check worker has returned to home because they are working alone, so we have to ensure that person is back to home or not. Okay, first aid kit and training. Actually, we have to give him training about the first aid. Okay, and also provide first aid kit to self defense. Okay, emergency action to be taken if worker become ill. If something will happen going wrong, so we have to perform in emergencies cases. What you have to do, that means rescue team may be informed. Okay, that's the point. These are the some step in safe working practices regarding lone workers. Okay, I think you should understood clearly. And finally we will know what is the lone worker responsibility when they are performing their work. A lone worker take reasonable care to look after their own safety and health. Safeguard the safety and health of other people affected by their work. Cooperate with their employers' safety and health procedures. Actually, this is the responsibility of not only lone worker. This is for all worker to follow it the health and safety performance procedures, policy, risk assessment. Okay, in safe way. These are the some responsibility of lone workers for performing their work in safe way. So finally, lone worker themselves have a responsibility to help their employer fulfill this duty. Okay, friends, I think all doubt have clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask with me, no issue. And I hope this video is useful for you. So friends, tell me in comment box what you are feeling with my video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay friends, see you later in next video very soon.